Well, this is 86th Street, guys. Have you seen my past videos, like maybe a month or two when the 2nd Avenue subway first opened? I never really had the time to stick around and check it out fully. Bring the full video to you guys about the 2nd Avenue subway. I will do that during my break mostly. Come back here. But for now, I'm doing 86th Street with Train Enthusiastic. He's here with me, real funny today. New high def elevator. You can see these paintings. The paintings are here because it's for the reason the nice artwork, and they were dedicated to people that were involved in making the 2nd Avenue subway, like this guy right here. This is 86th Street, as you can tell, and there's no columns here. And it's very nice here. It's one of the exits. The exits are very simple. There was one in the back and one in the front. You got escalators and new elevators. We're one stop away from 96th Street. We should be going there later. See down there, 86th platform. If you look at the other way, it's the same thing. It's really simple. Nothing too complex. The booth is down there, you can see from here. The top of the elevator is still clean, for now at least. Watch it come back in 20 years from now. Watch it be all dusty. These are much cleaner than the one Jackson Heights you saw in Ian Task's video. Definitely. It's 3:02 a.m. I mean p.m. My bad. Got more paintings here. Here's a nice look at the middle of the station, 86th Street. And then below me, right below me, is a newsstand that they said will open a few weeks after the 2nd Avenue subway, but never did. And here comes something. Pretty sure it's a downtown. Nope, it's Uptown. It's standing correctly. Let's move around. See it. Does it conduct it? There's a ton. Look how easy the station can handle that much people. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video of 2nd Avenue, 86th Street. Stay tuned for more. Timer's on.
This is the 96th Street, 2nd Avenue bound Q train. The next and last stop is 96th Street.
I got the timer on. Yeah, the holding lights are on. That's something interesting. Because they're just waiting for the other one that's ready to leave. Alright, that's right.
This is a Brooklyn-bound Q train. The next stop is 72nd.
Be sure to announcements. It's not that bad. It's not all the worst.
This is a Brooklyn-bound Q train. The next stop is 72nd.
Be sure to announcements. That's not that bad.